This wasn't part of today's plan. My dryer has been squeaking yet again because I am not a certified or professional, whatever title you could add to the awesome people that work on appliances. I don't know exactly how to fix squeaky dryers. I don't have the experience either, and that's what probably matters the most. I've already changed the little skateboard wheels that are inside like 2 times, and some other things in there that come with the kit, the band, the little pulley wheel, and it started squeaking again. It sits right outside my work area, so the lightest squeak, 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 I can hear, and it bugs me quite a bit. So I dug into the whole beautiful world of YouTube to search a more detailed question on why my dryer keeps on squeaking. So I learned something new from a different video this time. I'm gonna go try what I just learned. In no way was this intended to be a tutorial video. It's a do it myself because I did it myself. Well, I did it with the little help of this one. But other than that, it works now and I'm done. That's gonna do it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, you like the video, give it a thumbs up. You wanna come kick it with me at the next video, the next story, hit the subscribe button. but for now, we're gone. See you in the next one.